Hello and welcome to all. In this video session. We will learn how to create the business partner in the REM module. Okay. But before we start, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel ERP SAP team, then click on the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates after every new video upload. This is totally free. If you like this video, then please click on the like button. Also, you can share our video. Now we will start the topic with an example. First, we will take example, then we will do the practice. Getting my points? So, there are two types of the business partner role in the RAM module. Business partner role for vendor for the leasing contracts and business partner role for the customer lease out contracts. Getting my points? So, for the business partner role for the vendor, prerequisite vendor should be created in the FICO module first. Okay, let's we have a vendor. You can check the vendor in the XK03. I'm just checking this 1090839. This is already created in the SAP module, SAP FICO module. Okay, this is test vendor. Okay, so vendor should be created in the FICO module first. It is already created in the FICO modules. Step for creation of the vendor code as a business partner, assigning BP role to business partner as or as vendor. Okay, for the creation of the vendor code as a business partner, you have to execute the transaction code FLBPC1. Getting my points? FLBPC1. This is REM module transaction code. Okay. Here you need to execute the fill this vendor code. Okay. Click on the enter, and the next part is enter vendor code in the vendor field and press enter and click on create business partner. Okay, click on the create business partner. Okay, once you click on the create business partner is assigned to vendor. Getting my points? So the same message will appear. Now the next part is assigning BP role to business partner. Assigning BP role to business partner. Getting my points? You have to execute the transaction code BP. Okay, you have to execute the transaction code BP. Getting my points? And here you need to enter the BP number. Okay, the vendor number is same as the BP number in the SAP. Okay, here you should enter the BP number. Getting my points? So enter the business partner number in BP number field. Okay, press enter. Okay, once you press the enter, all the field will be displayed as per the FICO module vendor database, vendor master data. Getting my points? The next option is go to change mode and click on the change in BP role. Go to change mode and click on the change in BP role. Go to change mode and click on the change BP role. Getting my points? You need to fill the validity period. So I'm going to fill the validity period. Validity is just for 1 year. Okay, so 19/4/2020. Okay, click on. Getting my points? So here I have maintained the validity period. Getting my points? And click on this relationship. The next part is the validity period. Validity from the date as required date from the which BP role to be assigned. I have maintained the validity period. Okay, so you need to check the basic role and validity periods. Okay, here click on the general data. Okay, this is the this is address view and identification, control, payment transaction, BP type. These are the various fields you should maintain here. Okay, and payment transaction status. Okay, so these are the other communications. Various fields are here. These are already the data already maintained by the FICO administrator. Okay, so no, and now the click on the save button. Okay, now click on the save button. So I have again maintained the landlord maintain. Okay, I have maintained the rules for the landlord. Okay, so the date is again create the validity periods, and here I am going to maintain the validity period for the 1 year. Once the contract renewed, then it will be saved. Then click on the save. Okay, now the data has been saved. Getting my points? So once the data has been saved, and for assigning BP role to another customer, click on the open BP icon. Open BP icon. Here, this is the open BP icon. Getting my points? Open BP icon. Okay. So enter another BP number. Okay. Click on the green tick. Repeat step all the steps 8 to 11. Okay. For the next part is the business partner role for the customer. The customer code should be created in the SD module first, as vendor code created should be in the FICO module first. Step for the creation of the customer code as a business partner and assigning BP role to the business partner are as under. For creation of the customer code as a business partner, you have to execute the transaction code FLBPD1, and for the vendor code as a business partner, FLBPC1 is the transaction code. Getting my points? Here FLBPC1, this is FLBPC1, and for the customer FLBPD1. Repeat this step 2 to 10 of the para A. Okay, so thanks for this process. Okay, these are the two methods. First, for the updates for the vendors as a BP role, business partner, and assigning the BP role in case of leasing contract. Vendor assign as a BP role, and for the lease out contract, customer will assign become as a business partner, and we have to assign the BP role as to the customer. Getting my points? That's all for now. If you have any query or any suggestion regarding the video topic, please feel free to comment. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch. Bye bye.